Ceasefire day number 008. Yes. Um, 8 days ago, there's a ceasefire in Gaza. Well, this is day number 8. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, January the 27th, 2025. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. Not so good news for today because there are no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. Let me show you. No additional for today. So only 3 regular puzzles. Well, we have last week a lot of puzzles in a row. So today only 3 regular puzzles. The first puzzle I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. Oh, apologies on the camera. Okay. 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars Sudoku. Number 978. Yeah, I made a mistake yesterday. Yeah, with the numbering. This one will be 9978. 23 puzzles to go. All right. This one. Before I start, I always count the printed digits as 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, the publisher has indicated with this 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 5. Yeah, 5 here. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. Third column. So the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row. 8 in that row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, 8. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers and 5. And a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes, and 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on the last column. The only place left with 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. Need a 3, 3, 3, and I need a 6. Nope, 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in the last row. No 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. Then let me see. 9 and 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9. Should be there. 7. 7 and 1. Okay. These 3 missing numbers in this column are numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 157. 157. Okay. I need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Four missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have 1 and the 4 in this column. No 1 and the 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Well, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. The 3 could be everywhere. And 1, 2, 3, and a 5 could be everywhere. Interesting. Need a 7, 2 here. Six in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 6 should be here. 6, 6. 6. Yeah. 1 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 down in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 9 and a 5. We already have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7, 3, and I need one number. The 9 here, 9, 9, need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 8. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8 cannot fill this yet. 8 in the last column. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 5, 7, okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the Middle columns on the column next, only 2 places level 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column. Leave the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. Okay. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, only place level 5. Should be there. 5, 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes and there. 8 and 3, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 and 3, we have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6. The other pair in this big square are numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3, 3, okay. 9 and 7 are missing here, I believe, yeah. How about 4 in this row, 4 in the middle, second row, so first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 and the 7, we have a 9 now in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, need a 7 here. Alright, need a 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the 7, we have 3 now in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, no. Then, let me see. 1. Okay. 8, the 9, the 7, the 2 missing numbers here. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so third row, the only place left 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so third row, the only place left 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so third row. Only place level 2 should be there. 2 and 6, we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only place level 6 should be there. And the final number in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars note, 2 stars note, 1 star note. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well, please with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.